Welcome back to our channel. I'm Christopher, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about car jumpstart processes. Well, stick around because, in this video, we're going to be exploring the ins and outs of today's topic and answering all your questions. So, there you have it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and let's dive into today's topic. Jump-starting a car can be a safe and effective way to start a vehicle with a dead battery, but it's important to take some safety precautions to avoid injury or damage to your car. Jump-starting a vehicle involves using a separate battery to provide a temporary boost of electrical power to start a vehicle's engine. Jumper cables are very useful if you find yourself stuck with a dead battery. They allow you to start a vehicle by using the power from another vehicle's good battery. To jump-start a vehicle, you will need the other vehicle parked close enough for the cables to reach both batteries. Both vehicles should be in the park with the hoods open and the engines off. The cables will have a black and red clamp on both ends, red being the positive, and black the negative. Red clamps will often have a plus sign for positive, and black with a minus sign for negative. With both vehicles off, attach a positive clamp to the positive post on the dead battery. The post will be marked with a plus sign and possibly have a red cover. Then attach the other positive clamp to the positive post of the good battery. Next, you will attach a negative clamp to the negative post marked with a minus sign on the good battery and attach the other negative clamp to the unpainted metal surface of the dead vehicle, such as a frame, a bolt, or the engine block. Start the vehicle with the good battery and let it idle for a few minutes before trying to start the vehicle with the dead battery. Once the vehicle has started, you will remove the cables in the reverse order, starting with the negative clamp from the frame and then the negative clamp from the good battery. Next, remove the positive clamp from the good battery and then remove the last positive clamp from the dead battery. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.